Today, just we are going to solve some identity problems. So, first identity, a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Instead of ab, you can use xy. Similarly, a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. This all are already you know that. Now you are going to study the new thing. If a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus 2 times of bc plus 2 times of ca. Similarly, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, or here 3ab is common, so we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into remaining here a, here b, so 3ab into a plus b. Similarly, here a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Alternative sign, plus minus, remember. Similarly, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, right? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Remember this thing. Or if a plus b plus c, a value, b value, c value, addition is 0, implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Why? This all are equal to 0. You can write 3abc in right side. That's why a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc directly. Now you are going to find the value x plus 7 into x plus 3. So normal product x into x square plus x into 3, so 3x. Similarly, plus 7 into x, 7x plus 7 into 3, 21. So now we are going to add like terms. So x square plus 10x plus 21. This is the answer. Similarly, here x plus 3 into x minus 7, x into x square, x into minus 7, so minus 7x plus 3 into x, 3x plus into minus 3 7s are 21. So now add like terms, minus 7 plus 3, so minus 4. So x square minus 4x minus 21, right? Similarly, here just think about here y squared, here minus 3 by 7, here plus 3 by 7. So here a minus b into a plus b identity is a square minus b square. Instead of a you have y squared, instead of b you have 3 by 7. So this answer equal to a squared. So a squared value y squared the whole square, then minus 3 by 7 the whole square. So y squared the whole square value y to the power 4 minus 3 by 7, no, so 3 square 9 divided by 7 square 49. Similarly, here you are going to think why it's x in the second one. Anyway, you are going to use the same identity, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So here a equal to 7 and b equal to 8x. So automatically 7 square minus 8x the whole square. So 7 squared value 49 minus here 8 squared value 64, x the whole square, that is x square. Like that, do this problem. Next, using this identity you are going to evaluate such a type of number. So now recall this is 102, this is 105. Now we are going to write this 102 as 100 plus 2, this one is 100 plus 3. Now the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So here x common. So the 100 square plus a plus b, where's for a value 2, b value 3. So 2 plus 3 into x value here 100 plus a into b, 2 into 3, that is 10,000 plus 2 plus 3, 5, so 500 plus 6. So that is addition 6, 0, 6, 0, then 5, 0, 1, 10,506. Similarly here 97 you are going to use the same thing using 100. So 100 minus 3, here 100 minus 2. So the same way you are going to use the same thing. So x plus a, the same thing. If x plus a into x plus b you are going to use, means here a value minus 3, b value minus 2. Okay, so for that you are going to use the identity x minus a into x minus b, suppose. Now just x plus a into x plus b, you know that you are going to substitute a value, b value. Here a value minus 3, b value minus 2. Substitute this thing. So that is 100 square. Okay, plus minus 3 minus 2 into 100. Okay, plus minus 3 into minus 2. So a value minus 3, b value minus 2. So 100 square, no, so 10,000. Minus minus, no, so plus into minus, minus 500. Minus into minus plus, so plus 6. So 10,006, or here we can write 9,500 plus 6, so 9506. So that is 10,000 minus 500, 0, 0, here 9, here 10, so 5, so 9500 plus 6. Here 104 into 97, so 104 given, no, so 100 plus 4, here 100 minus 3. Similarly here a value 4, b value minus 3. So x value 100. So the same thing, 100 squared plus a value 4 minus 3, b value minus 3 into 100 plus a value 4, b value minus 3. So 10,000, 4 minus 3, 1. So plus 100 plus into minus, minus 4 into 3, 12. So that is 10100 minus 12. So 100,988. So like that find your answer. Right. Now you are going to factorize something. Here you are going to use the identity plus minus plus, no, here minus. So I am going to use a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b the whole square identity. So here what is our a? For that I am going to rearrange this 9 as 3 squared x square minus, we need 2ab, no, so 2 into 3x plus 1 as 1 square. So I am going to write 3x the whole square minus 2ab. So 3x into 1 plus 1 square. So this is just compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So instead of a you have 3x, instead of b you have 1. Like that you are going to rearrange, you know. So 3x minus 1 the whole square. That is 3x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. Next, a squared minus b squared by 64. We are going to use the identity a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. So for that this problem a squared minus b squared, okay, 64 we can write as perfect square number, no, so 8 square. So a squared minus b by 8 the whole square, we can write the whole square. So a value here as it is a, no problem. So a here instead of b you have b by 8, so plus b by 8, here a minus b by 8. So this is the answer, right? Next problem, expand 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 3 into y plus 1 the whole square. What identity you are going to use? A plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca identity. So therefore a equal to here 1 by 2x, b equal to minus 1 by 3y, and c equal to 1. Substitute. Therefore a square 1 by 2x the whole square plus minus 1 by 3y the whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into ab 1 by 2x into minus 1 by 3y plus 2bc minus 1 by 3y into 1 plus 2ca 1 into here 1 by 2x. Substitute a, b, c value. Here 1 by 2 the whole square. So 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 square by 2 square 4 x square minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. So plus 1 squared 1 divided by 3 squared 9 y square. Next plus 1 squared value 1. We can cancel this 2. Plus into minus minus. Here 1 by 3 x into y product. Here plus into minus minus, no need to cancel anything because here 3 2. So minus 2 into 2 divided by 3y here because its value 1. Next 2 2 we can cancel, 1 into x, so plus x. So this is the expansion, right? Now this problem we are going to use the same identity. Instead of a you have 5a, instead of b you have 7b minus 7b, instead of c you have minus c. Substitute. First squared all the one square, so 5a the whole square plus minus 7b the whole square plus minus c the whole square plus 2 times of first 2, so 5a into minus 7b plus 2 times of second and last minus 7b into minus c plus 2 times of last one, that is minus c into first one 5a. This is the expansion. Now this one is 25, pi squared is 25, so 25a square plus into minus, no need because of square, no, minus into minus plus, so plus 7 square, that is minus 7 into minus 7 49. So 49b square plus c square. Here plus into minus minus, remaining numbers 2 5 10, so 7, so 70a into b. Here plus minus minus, minus into minus plus, so 2 7s are 14bc. Next plus into minus minus 10ac, c into a, so ac. Like that you can find. Next factorize. So you are going to square term. You are going to compare with your identity. A square plus b square plus c square equal to, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Further compare a, b, c and this thing. Suppose 2ab equal to, you have minus 2 root xy, root 2xy. Okay. So further 2 2 you can cancel. Instead of a you can consider root 2x. Instead of b you can consider minus y. Why? Because it's a minus, no minus you can write in any one. So you can think about b. Okay, similarly 2bz is 4 root 2 yz. 2 we can cancel, so bz equal to 2 root 2 yz. So already you have b equal to simple y, okay, but here you have plus term, no? All those things plus. If you have b value minus, here you need minus. So just change, this one is minus, this one is plus. So you can use minus anywhere, but second one given z value, no? Z value and y value. For that y value and z value, the product both are may be negative, but last one x value and z value both are negative, means positive, no? So first one negative, z value may be positive. So like that we can change. So b equal to already given y. So therefore c equal to, if you cut b y, then remaining 2 root 2 z. So a equal to, you can consider minus root 2 x, and b equal to y, and c equal to 2 root 2 z. Check first one, x square y square z square, no problem, because no need any negative sign, positive sign. But in the same way, this two product we need minus, is it is, this two product we need plus here. First c and a product is negative given, so like that rearrange the sign. So we can write this one as a plus b plus c the whole square. So therefore this question equal to a value minus root 2x plus b value y plus c value 2 root 2 z the whole square. So this is the identity, that is this product into the same product, that is minus root 2 into x plus y plus 2 root 2 z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 into z. This is the product. Okay, thank you.